popping back on your receiver, you're good, man. Fuck yeah!
Alright, you go back to drop. Alright, easy. That's alright. Now straight. Alright, now come on. Come on. Hold on. When you fell on that rock, it just went through.
Sure.
Right? Hey, we're gonna throw traction forward underneath.
We won't be here till nighttime.
Bottomed up.
Yeah.
Can't do nothing.
No, he's spinning all four wheels.
So we need to come just straight down that way, I guess.
Yeah, I think like me and Sarge were saying passenger tire along here.
I think we need to come down that way.
Unless we need
Alright, easy.
Alright, I got it.
Well, you keep on going if you want to drop.
My shit up here.
A little driver.
Yeah, cut
Yep.
driver, cut driver,
Yep.
driver.
Keep your driver. And straight down. Straighten up, straight down. There it is. It's all right. Can you give it more driver? Yeah, give it more driver. All right, now hold it, hold it. That way, give it passenger. Oh shit, okay. Yep.
Oh, that's what you come down.
Come down, come down.
There you go.
That's it.
Yee, cowboy.
And Will, you spot him on this. Hey, thanks, bro. Yeah. We'll get you safe. Thank you, dude. Ooh. Whoa, whoa. Nice.
At least it's down here.